And the next day, when we had a warm-up, such that I thought, oh, I'll come out to the shop, it is now a block, a frozen block, with some bit that thawed on top, but otherwise they are frozen in time. Well, or at least ice. And in the old garage we found another tool caddy that fortunately was not in as vulnerable a position. It's a more typical small size tool caddy for gathering up your tools for a single job. Usually my most common use for a tool caddy is to go change the oil, which is out in the driveway because my garage is too full of junk. But you put all your tools that you need for the job, the oil filter, and off you go. So it's kind of a good size, small, but very neat. And you notice the sides, the wood is thicker at the top than at the bottom. And if you've got stuff that's heavy in here, it's the tops that need more strength because they'll bow out versus the bottom, which can be nailed to the bottom inside. So it's kind of made in an interesting way. And my father-in-law said, well, it was made because this is siding, and I didn't think about that. This is pieces of old wood siding, which would be installed, thicker side down, tapering, and then it'd be overlapped so that the rain would run off of it. So this was made with stuff that was left lying around. And I asked about this, and there again, it's not a nice big regular hole for a rigid handle, and it's so low that if it had a rigid handle, it would be in the way. It would be in the way of putting stuff in. So he said, no, it had a rope. So that makes sense. That you put a rope through here and have a knot at each end, and then it would work like the big old tool caddy that had a big leather strap, and that you could put it over your shoulder and have all the benefits that I described with the really big tool caddy. So I think my entry for the challenge is going to be to clean up this old tool caddy and put a new strap or rope on it, I'm not sure which yet, and fix it up. Alright, there, get a better view.